Hi everyone on YouTube. Our lesson today we're talking about the signs that you have seen on the road signs or you can see them in the public places. I think they are very important and you must know. Okay, let's learn them with me in Lao and English. Here we go. Okay, the first sign is no entry. No entry. Okay, you can repeat after me. No entry. No entry. ห้ามเข้า 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 The second sign is no photo. No photo. No photo. Okay, repeat after me. No photo. No photo. ห้ามถ่ายภาพ 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 The third sign is no food or drinks. No food or drinks. Okay, repeat after me. No food or drinks. No food or drinks. ห้ามกินอาหาร 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 The fourth sign is no cell phone. No cell phone. Okay, repeat after me. No cell phone. No cell phone. ห้ามใส่โทรศัพท์ 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 The fifth sign is no shoes. No shoes. No shoes. Okay, repeat after me. No shoes. No shoes. ห้ามใส่เกิบ 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 The sixth sign is do not make noise. Do not make noise. Do not make noise. Okay, repeat after me. Do not make noise. Do not make noise. ห้ามส่งเสียงดัง 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 The seventh sign is no smoking. No smoking. No smoking. Okay, repeat after me. No smoking. No smoking. ห้ามสูบยา 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 The eighth sign is no parking. No parking. No parking. Okay, repeat after me. No parking. No parking. ห้ามจอด 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 The ninth sign is entry. 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 Repeat after me. Entry. Entry. ทางเข้า ทางเข้าทางเข้า The 10th sign is exit 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 okay repeat after me exit exit ทางออกทางออกทางออก The 11th sign is safe 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 okay repeat after me safe safe ปลอดภัยปลอดภัยปลอดภัย The 12th sign is emergency 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 okay repeat after me emergency emergency ฉุกเฉินฉุกเฉินฉุกเฉิน The 13th sign is danger 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 okay repeat after me danger danger อันตรายอันตรายอันตราย Okay, our lessons today is finished. Thanks for learning Lao English with me. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel and you can learn more lessons with me. Bye. See you then.